Sure, 716 Kilo Tango, Reading Tower, hold short of runway 34. We just had a little bit of an earthquake. Airport maintenance needs to get out and check the runway before you can depart. Hold short of runway 34. Right now, the runway ops are suspended. We had a little bit of quake. I've got airport maintenance checking out the runway, doing an inspection.
Do you know how big the earthquake was?
No, it was long, but this tower always moves, so yeah, we could tell it was going on, but I don't know what the size was. Just to let you know, just west off the coast of directly west of us, and center said it was a 6.6.
It's my first earthquake, so it's pretty weird. It was pretty crazy.
Attention all aircraft, at this point in time, we are experiencing an earthquake here for Oakland Tower right now, and to just be advised, I might have to give you some further instructions. And the runway is cleared. Runway 28 left, you're clear to land. Just be advised that we are experiencing some earthquakes right now.
Okay, 28 left, clear to land, 250 to Mike.
November 3, Uniform Bravo, go around, fly runway heading, maintain 3000. I believe we just had an earthquake.
Sounds good, runway heading up to 3000, 3 Uniform Bravo.
American 637, San Francisco, plan on going around. We're currently having an earthquake. For now, fly runway heading, all advised.
For now, fly runway heading, American 637 will continue the descent. You guys going to have to evacuate?
Okay, for now. 3 Uniform Bravo, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Runway heading, and we're climbing 3000, 3 Uniform Bravo.
Uniform Bravo, contact American departure is going to be on 135.1.
35.1, 3 Uniform Bravo.
American 637, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Fly runway heading, climb maintain 3000, American 637.
American 637, contact American departure is going to be on 135.1, and we'll see you back.
35-1, American 637, good luck.